for the Wingfoot Scholarship. Young man named Joseph Backmeyer. Joseph? Come up.
Thank you. Thanks. Good evening. Thank you for giving me the honor to speak tonight. I'm currently a senior at Iona College, majoring in mass communications. I've been caddying here at Wingfoot since 2003. It's been a very rewarding job where I've been treated with respect and was fortunate enough to receive this scholarship. In 2007, I was a senior at Mahopac High School and searched for the college I would spend my next 4 years attending. Doing this, I visited a number of different schools. When I took my first trip down to Iona for the open house day, I was impressed. Never before had I seen a college that was so well kept, clean, and professional. I was given a guided tour of campus, sat in on a few classes, met other prospective students, and most notably, I listened to a speech that had been given. By this time, I had heard numerous welcome speeches at other schools, and for the most part, I had become desensitized to them. However, this one was much different. Although the speech was very welcoming, this wasn't what stood out to me. Along with hundreds of others, I patiently sat and listened to the man speak about the great things Iona has to offer. After he finished his speech, we were served lunch. I sat down with my family and began to eat. The individual who gave the speech sat with my family and I. He shared a few thoughts and answered some of our questions. Little did I know at the time, but the man who was sitting with us was Iona's president, Brother Ligori. This was the first time a man of his stature had ever reached out to me in such a caring way. As we all know, Brother Ligori is retiring this year. The foundation that he built lays the groundwork for the continued excellence in education at Iona. He will always be remembered and honored. May God bless him. Wingfoot has been very generous to me over the past 8 seasons that I've worked here. It has greatly shaped who I am today and where I will be tomorrow. I would like to thank the generous membership, staff, and management at Wingfoot Golf Club, including General Manager Mr. Burns, Pat Burnaby, Caddy Master Dave Zona, Mr. LaPenta, and the whole Hines family, and also countless others. They really have made this level of education possible for me and many others. I would also like to personally thank everyone that participated in today's event. You guys also make this program possible every year, and it really means a lot to all of us. Thank you for this opportunity, and enjoy the rest of your night.